Introducing the brushless DC motor reference design with high-quality PANJIT components. At PANJIT, as a total solution provider, we're committed to creating high-efficiency, energy-saving, and top-quality products that pave the way for a cleaner and smarter future. In this video, we are demonstrating our motor solution using an evaluation board. Here is how the board functions in a live demo. First, switch on the AC power. The PFC outputs between 380 and 400 volts. Next, activate the motor controller to enable the motor driver. As the motor starts running, we can observe the sine waveforms of the three-phase current on the oscilloscope. All the main power components in this design are from PANJIT. It includes the ultra-low VF bridge, super junction MOSFET, and silicon carbide diode in the PFC stage, as well as the super junction MOSFET and Schottky diode in the flyback stage. High and low side super junction MOSFETs are used for the motor driver. A PFC controller is also included in the design. For the MCU, a 32-bit microcontroller and sensorless motor control algorithm are utilized. The dimensions of this evaluation board are 190 mm by 80 mm. It is designed to deliver an output power of 1 kW, accommodating an AC input range spanning from 90 volts to 264 volts. The reference design achieves high efficiency while maintaining a high power factor. When driving a motor at 1000 revolutions per minute and 0.5 horsepower, the PFC and inverter efficiencies can reach 96% and 90%, respectively, under a 115-volt input. When the input voltage increases to 230 volts, the efficiencies improve to 97% for the PFC and 92% for the inverter. The reference circuit can be divided into 4 parts: the PFC stage, flyback stage, gate driver stage, and PWM control circuit controlled by the microcontroller. The PFC circuit maintains a consistent output of 380 volts to supply the motor drive stage. Additionally, the flyback circuit and LDO provide 15 volts and 5 volts outputs to power the gate driver IC and the microcontroller. The CM6500UNXIS PFC controller is designed for high-efficiency power supply operation, optimizing performance at both full load and light load conditions. It offers improved power factor and reduces total harmonic distortion. The ARM Cortex-M 32-bit microcontroller integrates 3 16-bit timers, 16 PWM channels, and a 12-channel external ADC, providing comprehensive timing, control, and analog-to-digital conversion capabilities. It offers standard and advanced communication interfaces including 2 I2C, 1 SPI, and 2 UART controllers. The device operates from a supply voltage of 1.8 to 5.5 volts and is designed for operation in temperatures ranging from -40 to +105 degrees Celsius. PANJIT utilized a double-layer PCB for the layout design, as shown in these 4 pictures depicting component placement and routing on both the top and bottom sides. Here are the main blocks for this design. The PFC circuit includes an inductor, bulk capacitor. The board features an input power connector on its right side and a 3-phase BLDC motor connector on the left. To manage thermal dissipation, most power devices are integrated with a built-in aluminum heat sink. Your component, our profession. PANJIT.